Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Al-Qura Public School online classes. It's your English lecture and this lecture is for grade 5. Our topic is noun and kinds of noun. This lecture is delivered by Miss Anam. First of all, we are going to learn what is a noun. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing or idea. It is one of the foundational parts of speech and generally acts as the subject or object in a sentence. Now we will learn about the kinds or types of the nouns. First of all, we are going to discuss about common and proper noun. Common and proper noun. As you can see by the name, common nouns are any kind of noun. A common noun names any person, place, thing, or idea. For example, my book is on the table. Book is a common noun. Tamika went to school early this morning. When we are talking about school, it may be any school. So this is a common noun. Proper noun names a specific person, place, thing, or idea. For example, my book, Long Walk to Freedom, is on the table. Tamika goes to Umulkura. When we talk about the book, any book, it is a common noun, but when we give a specific name for the book, it is a proper noun. Long Walk to Freedom, as you can see, first letter of the proper noun is always capital. This is a way to recognize common and proper noun. Tamika goes to Umulkura. Umulkura is the name of a specific school. Next one is singular and plural nouns. A singular noun names one person, place, thing, or idea. For example, my pencil is broken. May I borrow a piece of paper? A plural noun names more than one person, place, thing, or idea. My pencils are broken. My papers are scattered on the floor. Next one is possessive noun. Possessive noun and apostrophe. A possessive noun shows ownership. It uses an apostrophe or an apostrophe plus an S on the end. Example, the boys' basketball team is walking down the hall. As you can see, apostrophe after the S. I borrowed my sister's shirt. Apostrophe after sister and S added to show the possession. Next one is concrete and abstract noun. A concrete noun names a material, thing, person, or place. It is something that can be physically touched. A parade began at 7 o'clock to celebrate the 4th of July. Next one, abstract noun. An abstract noun names ideas, feelings, or qualities they cannot be physically touched. Len wept in sorrow over the loss of her dog. Next one is collective nouns. Collective nouns name a group or collection of people, place, thing, or ideas. They are considered one unit and so they are singular. For example, the crowd sounds like a herd of elephants. Crowd is basically refers to the people in a group. Okay. The staff includes professionals and non-professionals. The group of students is standing in line. After this video, you will be able to solve any exercise regarding nouns and kinds of noun. If you have any kind of problem, you can contact me. Thank you so much for giving me your time. Take care. Allah Hafiz.